A very good morning to all. Myself, Rupali Narendra Rajput. I am from Dharavi Transit Camp Municipal English School number 1, and I am going to take English subject for you. Okay, children? Yes. Before start English subject, I am going to take one song. Do you like to listen to English action songs? Yes, children? Do you like to listen action songs? Yes. Now teacher is going to recite one action song. You have to observe me and similar actions you have to do and you have to follow. Okay? Yes. Now I will start. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Every day, I go to school. I go to school. I meet my friends. I meet my friends. And we all say, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Every day I go to school, we meet my friends and we say, how are you? How are you? We all says, I am a good, I am a great, I am a good, I am a great. And we say again, hello, 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 hello. I'm going to start this English subject with the one of the story. You can see this picture. Some animals are there, some birds are there in this picture. Okay, now one of the interesting story for you. Okay, in this story there are some characters. Okay, I will start with my story. Okay, children, please listen it carefully because after this story I will ask you some few questions. Okay, now there once upon a time, there was a crow. This crow was flying in the sky with a enjoy. And when he was coming towards the forest, he saw the gull. This gull who was searching for its friends. He was moving here and there, looking for something. Crow saw her and Crow asked Gull, what happened, Gull? What happened? Then Gull was saying, we were playing hide and seek. My friends are hiding and I'm not searching. How to search them? Then Crow said, it's okay. I will help you. Then Gull and Crow, they were started searching their friends in the forest. Okay. And when they are moving to the forest, they saw one log. And with that log, the bull fell down. When the bull fell down from that log, when the bull was fell down from the log, the crow saw there is a kitty inside the log. There is the kitty inside the log. And they found kitty from that log. Now, the kitty, gull and crow together came and they moved forward to search their other friends. Crow, gull, kitty, they are moving. And they saw one mango fell down from the tree. And Gull was looking up. What happened now? When the Gull saw up, he saw there is Monk. Monk is sitting on the tree. They again found this Monk also. Now they found kitty, monk. Okay. Now, these four characters, monk, kitty, crow, and gull, they move forward. And there was one big tree. Behind that tree, there was Bablu. And they find Bablu also. Where was the Bablu? Bablu was behind the tree. Behind the tree. Okay. Now, four of this, they came together and they started searching Tota. And when they started searching Tota, next to, beside that, there was one banana tree. And Monk saw that under the banana tree leaf, under the leaf, there was a tota. Under the banana leaf, there was a tota. In this way, the crow, monk, kitty, all the friends together, they have searched their friends. Okay. Now, children, you have listened the story. In this story, there was Gul, Crow, Tota, Monk, and Bablu, and last one is Kitty. Now, children, you have to give me answers. Okay? You can see this picture. Yes. Okay. Now, in the first picture, where is the kitty? You can see kitty here. Where is the kitty? Yes, children. Those who know the answer now, raise your hands. Or you can write the answers in chat box also. Raise your hand, children. Where is the kitty?
In the log.
In the log. Very good. Where is the kitty? Kitty is in the log. Very good, bacha. Now, you can see the second picture.
Yes.
Okay. Now, where is the tota? You can see tota is there in this picture. You can see tota.
Yes, teacher.
Where is that?
Under the leaves.
Under
the leaf.
Very good, very good. Now I will share one picture, third one. Where is the Bablu?
Bablu in the tree side.
Which side?
Tree.
Tree side.
Tree
Yes,
के
tree side.
पास में.
Okay, means what you can answer? The Bablu is behind the tree. Bablu is behind the tree. Okay, very good, very nice. Now, where is the monk? In the fourth picture, where is the monk? You can see fourth picture.
Yes.
Yes. Then where you can see the monk here? What is this green color of? What is this?
Tree.
Tree. Yes. Let's try, but
The leaves.
leaves.
Mom is behind the tree.
Behind the tree also, okay. It's on the tree. Where on the tree. Very good, children. Okay, now from this, we know the positions of these birds. Where is the bird's animal? So today, we are going to start with the new topic of the grammar, that is preposition. Okay, children. Now, what is preposition? Preposition of a place shows the position or location of something. What is the preposition? A preposition of a place shows us the position. Means where are they? Okay. Or location of something. And it also shows the relationship between the noun and other words. Means what? Preposition word is what? That shows the Position. What it shows? It shows the position and location. And also it shows the relationship between the noun and other words. Okay. Now, one by one, we'll start with the preposition words. Okay, children? Now you can see here box and one of the rat. Okay. Now, how we can say, where is the rat? The rat is in the box. Where is the rat? Rat is in the box, children. Okay. In. Rat is in the box. And also we saw the example in the story that there was a kitty. Where she was? She was in the log. The kitty is in the log. Now for your example, you're having your compost box also. Okay. Now in your compost box, pencil is in the compost box. Where you are keeping your pencil? In your compost box, na? Then how you will frame the sentence for this? Pencil is in the compost box. Now next example for this is your bag, your school bag. Okay. Nowadays we are not having school, but we are keeping our books in the bag. Na? So I will take that example. School bag. The books are in the bag. The books are in the bag. Yes, very good, children. Now we'll move forward to the next word, next preposition, that is on. That is on. Now I can see box and the rat also. But where is the rat? Rat is on the box. Where is? The rat is on the box. Where is standing? Is on standing on the box. Where is standing? Is standing on the box. Now example for this is, now you are having your notebooks with you and you are having pencils also. When teacher is starting teaching, that time what you are doing? You are opening your notebooks. Okay. And you are keeping the pencil. So, pencil is on the book. Pencil is on the notebook or your textbook also. Sometimes we are underlining the words. Na? So, we can say that the pencil is on the notebook or the pencil is on the textbook. Okay, children. Now, next is under. Next is what? Under. Now, I can see the box here. But where is the rat? I can see the rat under the box. I can see the box, but the rat is under the box. Say that the rat is under the box. Now, under for this, I will give the example of, you know, pipelines, water pipelines.
Yes.
Yes. Now, that is, you can make an example like this. Ki pipelines are under the ground. Sometimes it happens. Okay. Sometimes we can see above also. But most of the times, the pipelines are under the ground. Pipelines are under the ground. For this next example, plants. You know the plants, na? So,
Yes.
you can know the roots of the plants. Yes? Huh? Without roots, the plants can't grow. So, roots. Where are the roots? The roots are under the soil. We can see the roots. No. Means the roots are under the soil. Roots are under the soil. Next is over. Next is over. Okay. I can see the box and rat also. But rat foots are not touching to this box. Okay. Means this position is called over. Means the rat is over the box. Okay. Rats is the same word for this is above also. Okay. Now, best example. Don't try it, but children, don't try it. I'm only giving you example. When you want to jump, that time you are standing in the on the chair also, on the bed also. When your feet are up, you are not touching to bed. That the position is over or the above. Okay, means children are over the bed. Children are jumping over the bed. Okay, but don't try to jump, children. I'm only just giving example for that. Next, in front, I can see here a box and the rat is here. Means the sentence for this is in front of the box. The rat is in front of the box. The rat is in front of the box. Now you are sitting in front of camera. Then how you will make the sentence for this? I am sitting in front of camera. Teacher is in front of the camera. You are also in front of camera. Okay. Now next is behind. Now behind. The box is here and the rat is the back side. Means the rat is behind the box. The rat is behind the box, children. Okay. In that story also we saw there was Bablu. Where he was? Bablu was behind. Bablu is behind the tree. Bablu is behind the tree. We are also sitting behind me. The teacher is behind the TV. So many examples you can see. Teacher or you also you can take the children are sitting behind the wall. So many examples. Okay, means what? The rat is behind the box. Rat is behind the box, children. Now next to here is the box and next to this side or this side you can say next to. Okay, from this box next to this box there is a rat. The rat is next to the box. Rat is next to the box. Now when you are starting with your Zoom class, you can see next to you someone is sitting. Like next to me, my sir is sitting. Teacher is next to Venkatesh. Teacher is next to Mangal teacher. Means what? Your left hand side or right hand side? You can say next to. The rat is next to the box. The rat is next to the box. Now this. The between, you can see the boxes are there. Two boxes are there. But in that boxes, the middle portion, that is called between. Rat is between the boxes. Where is the rat? Rat is between the boxes. Yes, children. Now, again we will revise these words only. Okay. After that, you have to read also. Huh? You have to read after me. Say in.
In.
On.
Is on the back. The rat is on the
Only start with the words. Afterwards, we will start with the sentences, children. First of all, we will clear with the concept of the preposition words. Okay. Afterwards, we will start with the sentence. Okay. On. Under.
Under.
Over.
Over.
In front of.
Front of.
Behind.
Behind.
Next to.
Next to.
Between.
Between.
Now, teacher will start. These are the similar words, children. Okay. For next to, we can say beside word. What?
Beside word.
Okay. Next to or beside to you. Beside. Like teacher is beside to teacher, another teacher. Okay. Or teacher is beside to Venkatesh, teacher is beside to Uzma. You can use beside also. These are similar words. Also, we are saying synonym words. Okay. Above, over. Above, over, below, under. These are the similar words for these, children. You can repeat after me. Next to.
Next to.
Beside.
Beside.
Above.
Above.
Over.
Over.
Below.
Below.
Under.
Under.
Okay. Now, we will start. You can see this picture, children.
Yes.
Yes. Where is the kitty? You can see kitty in the picture. Already
Yes.
you have given me the answer for this.
Kitty in the log.
Very good. Kitty is in the
Kitty in
log.
the log.
Very good. Now you can see this sentence here. You can see the sentence.
Yes. Yes.
Who can read me for me? Who can read me for?
Kitty is in the log.
Thank you, beta.
Kitty
Thank
is
you.
in the log.
Thank you. Now, what is the noun here?
In.
You know noun? Yeah, very good. Thank you so much,
Kitty,
beta.
log.
Okay, kitty is your noun. What it is? It is noun, children. Wait, Yes. Kitty is what? Kitty is your noun. Okay. And this is other thing. The log. The log is your other words or other thing. Okay. Now, is here to be verb for this, and in to show the relationship of noun and other word, the preposition is used. What it is? Preposition. Okay, P stands for preposition, children. P stands for preposition. Means for showing relationship of noun and other word, the prepositions are used. What used? Prepositions are used. Okay. The kitty is the noun and other word is the log. Okay. Then in is the preposition. What it shows? It shows the relationship of the noun and it shows the relationship of noun and other words, children. It shows the relationship of noun and other words. Okay. Now we'll have next example. Yes. Where is the Bablu? You can see Bablu here. In this picture, can you see Bablu? Yes, children. Yes, where is that? The Bablu.
Bablu is behind the tree. Behind the tree.
Very good, very good. Bablu is behind the tree. Now you can find out the noun.
Bablu.
Bablu.
Bablu. Very good.
Bablu.
Very good. Wait. Yes. Now, yes. Bablu is what, children?
Noun.
Very good. And which are the other word? Which is other word? The
The tree.
tree. Okay. Other word is tree. Now tell me, to show the relationship between noun and other words, what we are using?
Behind.
No. Behind. But
Preposition.
what is behind?
Verb.
Behind is a pronoun. It is a preposition. It's a noun. What is it?
Preposition.
Verb.
Very good. It is a preposition. Means to show the relationship of noun and other word, it's preposition. It's a
Preposition.
preposition. Mean now your concepts are clear of preposition definition. I told you now. Here preposition which shows the position or location of your things, or it also shows the relationship of noun and other words. The words to show the relationship between the noun and other words, we are using preposition. Okay. Now we'll have a small activity. Okay. You can see here is ball.
Yes.
You can see the box and ball.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Where is the ball?
On the box.
On the box.
Yes. But how you will say this? I will explain. Okay. How you have to say? The ball is on the box. How will say the sentence for this? The noun for this is ball. The other word is
on
box.
the box.
Yes. Then repeat after me, beta. The ball is on the box.
The
The ball is on the box.
Very good. Now, other student, please try to do it. Please try to do it. Now, you can see the box. Okay. Where is the ball now? Where is the ball?
The ball is in the box.
Very good. In this way, you
Ball
have to frame the
is in the box.
sentences. Very good. The ball is in the ball. In or on, beta?
In.
Very good. So,
The ball is
the ball is in the box. Very good. Now, other student, please try to do it. Where is the ball?
under the box.
Under the box. But please try to make sentence for it. You can try.
The ball is under the box.
Very good. Very good. The ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. Very good, children. Where is the ball? Please, other students also try to give answers in chat box also.
The ball in
Ball is
behind the box.
very good. The
Behind.
ball is behind the box. Okay.
Yes.
Next, where is the ball?
The ball is behind the box.
Behind it is. Please see the picture. Where is the ball? Yes. Where is the ball?
Front of the box.
Very good. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box. Very good, children. Now, where is the ball?
The ball is between two boxes.
Yes. Repeat, beta.
The ball is between two boxes.
Yes, but if you are using boxes, then we'll not mention the number. Okay. The ball. Repeat, beta. The ball.
It is between the box.
Where box? The ball is between the box. Very good. Now we'll have some questions for you. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
You can see pictures. You can see this picture, beta.
Yes. Miss.
Yes. Which animals and birds you can see in this picture?
Fish.
Fish, okay.
Duck.
Duck, okay.
Dog. Butterflies.
Very good. And pigeon also there. Very good.
Frog.
What is there? You can see frog also?
Yes.
Yes, very good. What other things you can see in this picture? Birds and animals saw. But now which pictures we can see? Which things are there?
Miss.
Doghouse.
Water.
Is there? Very good.
Water.
Grass.
There, very good.
Leaves.
Leaves are there. Which leaves are this? Which leaves are this? These are lotus trees leaf. Okay. I can see here grass also. I can see stone also. Okay. I can see. I will repeat it one more time. This is stone. You have given me answer correctly. Okay. I am going to repeat once more. This is stone. Frog is here. Dog. House. Pigeon. Fish. Duck. Water. These are also stone. Grass. These flowers. Butterflies. Leaf. And these are also same things. Okay. Now you have to frame the sentence and give me the answers. Okay. Where is the dog?
The dog is in the kennel.
Very
dog
good.
is in the house.
Dog is in the house. Now where is the frog? Where is
The frog
the
is
frog?
behind the stone.
Behind the box.
Yes, then
Behind
repeat
the
after
stone.
me. The frog is behind the stone. Very good, very good. Now where is the pigeon?
Pigeon
The pigeon is
on the
on
water.
the house of the dog.
House of the roof. The pigeon is on the roof of the house. Okay. And where is the fish?
The fish is in the pond.
Under the water.
Okay, water is also correct. Pond is also correct. Where is the duck?
The
The
dog
duck is in the pond.
in the pond.
Very good. And where are butterflies?
The butterfly is next to grass.
Next to grass. Very good. And you can give me one more example. You can use one more preposition for this. For this, here in you said ki next to, or you can say front also. Now next,
Means
where are these butterflies? These butterflies, where are they?
the butterflies are between in the grass.
Between the grass. One more you can use. Very good, children. In the, between the, and one more preposition you can use, children. You can see water here.
Yes.
The butterfly on the pond.
On the pond, no. Here you can say the water, the butterflies is on the pond. But here what you can say? Between it's over. Butterfly is above the water? Yes.
Above the water.
Yeah, children. Yes, very good. Now, we saw the pigeon is on the roof of the house. The dog is in the house. The frog is behind the stone. Fish is there in the water. The duck is there in the water. But you can use the word pond. Okay, you can use the word pond. Okay. You said the butterflies. I asked where are the butterflies? You said the butterflies are between the grasses. Very good. The butterfly is in the water, is in front of the water, and butterflies are in between the grass. Very good. So children, so today we have learned the preposition in, on, between, under, above, next to, in front, and behind. Okay, you have understood this?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now with the help of these prepositions, you can start writing with your picture reading. Okay, this will help you to write picture reading also, picture writing. If any picture is there, you can write, you can make the sentence and you can write it. Okay, now for you, homework. You have to note down this homework. Okay. So today we have learned we saw the preposition. So you have to do this 2 homeworks. Okay. You can see table, flowers. See these pictures and note it down. 2 slides are there. I will keep this for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Please note it down. Please write it in a notebook.
Teacher, I will take a screenshot of the
Okay,
homework.
Bacha. Okay, okay. So this is next. There is the animal. In this, some pictures are different. Table, ball, you have to look it carefully. And you have to use these brackets and you have to write. Where are these? This is in the, on the, under the. You have to see these pictures and you have to write the answers. These are the different pictures for you. Okay. In this is easy activity for you. Okay. Where is the animal? Where is the cat? Under, on, next to, behind, and in front of, and in. Okay. This one also noted down fast. You can see different animals are there. Cat, dog, rat, duck, hen, and rabbit. Okay. Thank you, children.